Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to check a good back capacitor. And first of all, you need is your field piece meter, and this is what I got. And all you got to do is just go to MFD right here. You want to be checking a good. I'm going to show you how to check a good capacitor and bad capacitor. All you got to do is put your prongs. There's the common, hermetics and fans. All you got to do is grab your pawn. The pawn go from common to hermetics, which is not reading anything. This is a bad one. So this one's we're not reading anything, which is this is a 370. It's a 35 microfarads, and I want to be checking it. A good one. This is a 370 volt and 35 microfarads. So we're going to be looking up the 30 and we're looking up the 5 microfarads. So we got to do go from fan to common. You're reading 5, which as you can see right here, my meter. Reading 5. So that's good. And you can see the 5 right here. And then from the common and hermetics, and it's reading 29.8, which is it's good. So this one's it's a good capacitor. You can see a difference in there, and you can see a difference in the bad one. The bad one is not reading anything, it's reading 0. So that capacitor, it's bad. Hope you guys learned some. And here's my meter. When I was learning about this, I always asking questions how to get done. I didn't find no answer, and somebody helped me out. Now I'm trying to help somebody else. Any comments? Hope you guys answer your questions.